Hi and welcome back to Kwizie's how-to videos, and on today's episode I'm going to teach you how you can share your quiz via QR code or a link. So, congratulations, you're finally done with your quiz. Now, the very last step, share it. You're probably on this page when you can just edit your quiz conditions. You just scroll down and press next, go live. You press this button and ta-da, there's gonna appear already done QR code and also this button right over here that says copy quiz link. If you want to share your quiz via a link, you just press this button, copy quiz link, and it's gonna say copied when it's copied, and you just go to the chat that you want. I have here just an example of the chat, and you just paste the link in here and ta-da, done. And if you're not sure if the link works, basically you just can press it and it's gonna open the quiz and you can just go through it. And if you want to share your quiz via a QR code, you just press this arrow right over here and it's gonna download it to your device. And after that, once again, you go to the chat or the place that you want to share this quiz and you just paste the QR code in here from your device. And that's it. That's how you share your quiz via a link or a QR code. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episodes. Bye!